complete look at your forecast after the break.
Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-Degree Guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
Helping to feed the potential for severe thunderstorms tonight, increasing humidity and also warm temperatures, our first widespread 80s of the year. And for most of us, our first 80s of the year, including Wapaka, Wautoma, Fond du Lac, and also Appleton, where the high temperature was 81 degrees. Right now, away from Lake Michigan and south and west of Green Bay, we are still looking at upper 70s to lower 80s. With a southeast wind, it is quite a bit cooler near Lake Michigan. Currently in Appleton, it is 79, but the dew point has climbed up into the lower 60s. And once that dew point gets above 55, that's when the threat for having severe thunderstorms starts to go way up. 75 right now in Green Bay. Winds are gusting to nearly 35 miles per hour. The radar is quiet really across the entire viewing area, maybe a sprinkle here near Kashina and Shawano, but that's really about it. There's a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms north of Wausau. That activity is now lifting up into the UP, and what we're watching is this line of thunderstorms coming together west of the Twin Cities and then south and west into northwestern Iowa. We've got a tornado watch up now for parts of Wisconsin until 11 o'clock this evening, and we do have at least one severe thunderstorm warning and at least one tornado warning right now across southern Minnesota and then also into northern Iowa. But the activity is expected to pick up here as we head to the next several hours. So far, just a lot of hail reports across Wisconsin back into Minnesota, but we are looking at both the moderate risk and the enhanced risk across northeast Wisconsin. We can actually break that down even more. Here's a look at the tornado risk, and across most of the area where we have the yellow, there is a 10% chance of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any point. Not only that, where we have the lines, we call that hatched, there is that same chance of seeing a strong tornado, an EF2 or stronger. As far as the large hail is concerned, the same thing goes for much of the area, except it's a 30% chance of seeing large and damaging hail. And straight line winds, also a 30% chance from the Fox Valley north and west. So we're not just looking at the potential for tornadoes tonight. We've got the threat for damaging winds, large hail, and very heavy rain as well. The high-res future radar shows most of the activity staying north and west of the Fox Valley over the next several hours, but any storms that can break through could potentially become severe quite quickly, and all hazards would be on the table. And then as we get closer to 11 o'clock, that line of thunderstorms out to the west then makes its way across the Fox Valley towards the lakeshore. And if nothing develops ahead of that, this could be the main show for the evening. Now, tornado season peaks in June, but it starts during the month of April. In fact, if you take a look at the last significant tornadoes to touch down in Green Bay, the Fox Cities, and Oshkosh, they all occurred during the month of April. So yeah, it's a little early for tornado season, generally speaking, but April obviously can be an active month. If we get tornado warnings later on tonight, go to the basement, get under a sturdy table or bench, an interior room or closet, or a bathroom if you do not have a basement. Last year, 45 tornadoes touched down across the Badger State. Here in northeast Wisconsin, we had 4 tornadoes touch down, and they were all on the weaker side, generally right around EF0s or EF1s. So tonight, thunderstorms developing. Some could be severe. Lows around 60 tomorrow. Windy and cooler, sun and clouds, a chance for a shower. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is actually 69 because I go from midnight to midnight. I think that high will be shortly after midnight. We donated $100 to Dortran last week when I forecast 50, and the high temperature was 50 degrees. 58 on Wednesday, only in the lower 50s Thursday and Friday. Believe it or not, one computer model actually has some snowflakes across parts of Wisconsin on Friday, but after that, a huge warm-up as we head into next week.
Every 5 years, the city of Oshkosh creates a comprehensive outdoor recreation plan as a way to prepare for the future of parks and